Hi there, my name is Van and I'm from South Africa, Cape Town. I bought this machine from Senke CNC machine. They were very helpful when I was inquiring about the machine. The engineer helped me with all the relevant information. I've been talking to the engineer, setting up the machine myself, and been creating such a good relationship with them that I am now going to be an agent for them in South Africa. This machine was very accurate out of the box, and you'll see the working video of the machine now working in my factory. I'm very happy, and thank you very much, Senke CNC.